Hey guys, I'm Johnny. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make double chocolate muffins. These are so good. I make them for my family and they loved it. So I figured I should share the recipe with you because it's so easy and delicious. So let's get started. So guys, making muffins is mad easy. You just need a bowl, a whisk, and a spatula. So simple. So in this large bowl, I have all my dry ingredients, which is some all-purpose flour, unsweetened cocoa powder, salt, baking powder, and baking soda. You can sift all these ingredients together, but I'm being lazy and I'm just gonna use a whisk and whisk them all together until they're well combined. Make sure that they're well combined because you don't want to have no lumps of cocoa powder. So once you mix that all together, you're going to set it aside until you're ready to use it. So now we're gonna mix the wet ingredients. So in this bowl, I have some melted butter that I melted in the microwave. And to that, we're going to go ahead and add some buttermilk. Buttermilk will provide moisture to the muffins. Also, let's add some eggs, sugar, and vanilla extra. Using a whisk or a fork, mix that all together until well combined. We're going to take our wet ingredients and add them into our dry, and you're going to mix everything together. You can use a hand electric mixer. It will be easier because this mixture tends to be a little thick. And if you're in a country that the buttermilk is thicker than usual, you can dilute it a little bit with milk. So but just keep in mind that the mixture is a little thick, but it will get together. Just use your spatula, your whisk, anything that helps to mix everything together, that there's no lumps. Once your batter is mixed, we're going to go ahead and add some semi-sweet chocolate chips. This is 60% chocolate. Using the spatula, fold them in. So whenever I make muffins, I like to make jumbo muffins. I don't know, it makes me feel like bakery style muffins, so that's why I usually make them. Now fill up the muffin tin with the batter. Fill them up 3/4 of the way up. If you want, you can add more chocolate chips on top. And we're gonna bake this at a 400 Fahrenheit for 23 to 25 minutes. You know they're ready because you insert a toothpick in the center and it comes out clean. So this is how my muffin looks. I let them cool in the tin like for 5 minutes, and then I remove them from the tin and I allow them to cool completely before you dig in. Alright guys, as you can see, I have my muffin here. It looks so good. Let's give it a try now. Oh my god. I hope you can see. They're very chocolatey. They have the right amount of sweetness. They're moist, they're sweet. They taste so good. As you can see, they were so easy to put together. I really hope you get to try them. The recipe will be written in the description box. Give me a like, share my videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye.